So, have you ever found yourself feeling frustrated or maybe overwhelmed when it's time to buy a new phone or a new computer, or maybe you want to get a tablet or a drone or a camera or whatever? Did you ever wish you knew someone that was kind of techie that could maybe give you some quick advice on what to get, what not to get? Maybe someone that would avoid all the nerd talk and just help you out? Well, now you do. Hi, my name is Dan Fox and I've been working professionally in the technology industry for over 30 years. The reason I'm starting this channel is to do something on YouTube that I've been doing for most of those 30 years as well. And that is to give simple, honest advice and recommendations on which technology and gadgets might be a good fit for you, without all the super techie nerd talk. As someone who buys a lot of technology, I know what it's like when you get something or you go to use a piece of technology that doesn't work the way you thought it was going to or is overly complex. It becomes really frustrating, so I can usually relate. No deep dives into processor speeds and specs and flux capacitors or whatever. Just practical, honest, simple advice to help you buy smart and skip the regret. And maybe a little bit nerdy, but only when it helps. So if you want tech advice without all the headache, check out my videos. And if you find value here, subscribe. Click on that little bell so you get notified every time I post something new. I would greatly appreciate it. And if I make your life easier, or if you still have questions, give me a comment and let me know. Thanks.